Hello everyone, so in today's video I want to do a simple test. You probably already know the answer, but let's also do a test. So I want to have a open session here, a desktop. It's running on a streamed image from a PVS server, and I want to stop both my DDCs to see if anything happens to my session. Normally nothing should happen to the currently active sessions. So let me go to my Proxmox server. I will not turn off any services. I will simply shut them down both. Oh, failed. Then it will fail on the second one. Okay, so we have two DDCs, one on each hypervisor. Where is it? DDC01. Shut down. Yes, and DDC02. Shut down. Okay. So in a couple of seconds, both my DDCs will be down. Let's wait also for this one. It does need a little bit of time. Okay, so they're both down. Let me go back to my session. Nothing happens to the session. Of course, if we want to start a new session, nothing should work. Nothing. Yeah. And this shouldn't even work, because if I log off and try to log on again, I shouldn't see anything because both my DDCs are down. Okay, so this was a short video. So stopping both DDCs will not affect the running sessions. Nevertheless, no new sessions will be able to be created, and yeah, you need to bring up your DDCs for new users to be able to connect. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.